If you're new to cables, then they may seem quite overwhelming, but all you're doing with cables is taking a certain number of stitches, moving them to a different position, and then knitting or purling them in that new position so that you're just changing the position of your stitches in your work. So the first one we're going to look at is a 2 by 2 right leaning cable. What that will mean is these 2 stitches will go behind, these ones will go in front, and it will visually look like it's leaning to the right. You can do it either with or without a cable needle. With a cable needle, you will take those first 2 stitches, put them onto a cable needle to hold at the back of your work, and then you will knit the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then come back and take those 2 ones that were held on the cable needle at the back and knit them. 1 and 2. Now, to work that same cable without a cable needle, you can do it whereby you keep those 2 in front, and you want these 2 behind and these 2 in front. So the 2 you want in front, you go into those with the needle on the right. You put your finger at the base of stitches 1 and 2 and pinch it against your right needle. Slide all 4 stitches off and then move these 2 over here. Then move those back over here, and you've created all of the stitches, and then you just knit the 4.